All right, guys, in this video, I decided to do something crazy, okay? I'm going to give you the step-by-step method on what I did to scale my fitness coaching business to $15,000 a month in less than a year, okay? I'm going to show you all the methods. I'm going to let out all the secrets, okay, on how I was able to market myself above everyone else, on how I was able to close over 450,000 USD dollars in less than 36 months, okay? I'm going to let it all out. I'm going to show you what I did. That way you can take it, you can run with it, and you're going to want to stay to the end of this video because I'm just going to give you everything away free. And just to prove some trust, these are a few trainers that took action, right? And basically applied everything that I taught them, right? You could be like Charlie, right? Who closed 3 clients in a week, right? One was through referral. One, we utilized a free 14-day challenge, converted them to a high ticket. You can be like Xavier, right? Who joined the program in a weekend, locked in a new client, applying the courses. Very simple to the point, right? You can be like Robert, right? Who got his second client since joining the group, right? Zach, who got his third client through a referral, like through our referral method, right? You could be like Tierrico, right? Who just basically just follows the method, right? And it works. It works, right? Or you could be like Marcus, right? Who got his first paying client, right? Paid in full. You could be like Robert again, who sold a 24-pack, right? Paid in full. Oh, I love those words. Or Christopher, right? Who closed his first online clients 2 days into the program, right? Utilizing a simple method I've been doing for years that I'm about to give to you. All right, before I give you all the secrets that you can take and you can run with it, right? I thought I'd give you a high level on who I am, okay? My name is AJ, okay? I've been a fitness trainer since 2017, okay? I was working at a big box gym, was there for a few years, right? And then pandemic hit and I started my online and in-person business in 2020. Grew that to 6 figures, right? And now I teach coaches basically how to do the same without having to go through the headaches, without costing years of their life, bunch of money on, doing things that they're not supposed to be doing, spending it where they're not supposed to be spending it, right? I understand how hard it is, right? You're watching this video, right? A common mistake that fitness coaches do is they get certified, they want to help people and they think, hey, I'm just going to make one post or I'm going to start to tell people that I'm a trainer and the floodgates are going to open. Everyone's going to want to work with me. I am going to kill it. And then you launch your fitness coaching business and then no one inquires with you. People that said they were going to work with you don't want to work with you. They don't give you money. They ghost you, right? Sending cold outreach and you just feel lost and you feel like you're in this endless hamster wheel. Okay. When I first started as a trainer, I thought that. I thought I was going to be a trainer, got my certificate, and I applied to a corporate gym and started posting online and thinking that everyone's going to want to work with me. Then I realized that is not the case. That is not the case whatsoever, right? So, one thing that really embedded in me is I fully accepted that I am a business owner, right? You are watching this video, right? You want to be a trainer or you currently are one that's struggling, right? You need to accept that you are a business owner. You're operating a business. The moment you take money from somebody else, you have a business. You need to be able to market. You need to be able to sell to those clients. You need to be able to keep those clients, right? These are things that you need to learn earlier on. That way you can scale. Either you want to be all in person, all online, or even both, right? You need to be able to separate yourself from all the thousands of online coaches on there or in-person coaches. You need to be able to separate yourself. You need to be able to position yourself as the expert in what you are selling. If you do that and you follow these simple methods, I guarantee you'll be able to get to your destination faster than it took me. Make more money than I did when I first started because you're not going to have to go through the headaches, the hurdles, all of that, right? So buckle up. It's going to get good. All right, I'm about to give you the secrets, and it's a pretty simple method, and you're about to take it and run with it. It's not that hard. Don't overcomplicate it. Very simple, okay? So you want to pick one platform, one topic, okay? Instagram is great, okay? It really is, okay? Try to do too many things, right? Get on TikTok, this and this and that. Like one topic, or like one platform, okay? Excuse me. Be an expert at that one topic, okay? So look, you don't want to be at those coaches that are talking about a whole bunch of things to get different attention or just to dance on social media to get attention, right? You don't want to be. You want to be an expert, right? You want to talk about that one thing, right, in different ways, right? If you're trying to, how people build their glutes, small waist, shoulders, it could be whatever, okay? strong profile on Instagram, like a good I help statement, like, and a powerful one. And you want it like a time condense, like I help people lose 30 pounds in less than 90 days, right? Posting all content that positions you as the expert. Honestly, it's really simple to follow, right? Like, so if I'm trying to help fitness coaches scale their business, right, all my content is going to be that, and I'll be talking about it in just different ways, right? It doesn't make sense for me to make a post about a political thing or a celebrity, right, when it's not really going to better my business. It really isn't, right? But the more content that I post, right, people are coming to my page, right? They're going to binge watch my stuff. It's going to position me as the expert because I know what I'm talking about. Okay. Um, Run a simple follow me ad, right? This is something I did later on, and I wish I would have done it earlier, right? On Instagram at the time of this video, literally you can do it like $5 a day. You can even do it for $1 a day. Like, it's really not that complex, right? So run a simple follow me ad, right? And you're getting these new people and they're engaging with you. Just, it's very simple, okay? Excuse me. Engage with all your followers. It's social media for a reason. Like, be social on it, right? And it doesn't have to be like everyone, like every time you're selling to them, but like, hey, how you doing? Like, hey, how's the gym? They post a story. Hey, how's it going? Like, do you like it? Like, simple stuff. Like, it's really not that complicated. Okay. The social media method that I use, you're just take it. Okay. Everybody who likes engages with your post, I send them a message, right? Thanks for liking my story post, like, or hey, how's the gym? Or I keep it simple. Like, you keep it casual. Like, keep it casual. Okay. Posting client testimonials, okay? Like, it proves you are the expert, okay? It really does, all right? And if you don't have any testimonials, post your before and afters, okay? Collect client testimonials, right? I have so many client testimonials, and guess what? I would have had so many more if I would have just did the simple method, right? And I just collect. That is, testimonials are worth its weight in gold and worth more than the money sometimes a client will pay you, because a testimonial, and a good one, has potential to inspire hundreds and thousands of other people online, okay? No boring workout videos on your feed. Look, I see it time and time again, fitness coaches just posting themselves working out. I knew that method is flawed, because when you do that, you're just showing that you like to work out. But I would always post me and the client workout, or the client working out hitting the set, like how my client grew his back to this. Like, post that. And I'm not saying you can't post workout videos on your feed, but don't let that be your mainstream of content. Okay. Always posting client wins, like with a CTA, right? And like, you might be watching this, you might not have any clients, right? Just post, like, if you have people that you've worked with, like a text message, like, hey, AJ, thank you so much for all your help. And then post like a simple call to action. Very simple method, not that hard. Don't overcomplicate it, okay? Like, if you can master one thing on social media, it would be hooks. Like, mastering a good hook is really, it's gonna like set you up to be an expert, like an expert on your content, and also gonna reel them in and keep them, like, from like staying away from your video, right? Like, from just like, I don't want to watch it. Like, my mentor told me years ago, right? He said, Instagram is like a busy highway. When you have a great hook, it gets the people to stop, enter your theoretically store, and talk to you. Okay. Sales method. Like, this is the method that I used, and like, it's simple. Like, for the 30th time, like, don't overcomplicate it, okay? Like, a 5-step process. Engage, talk to them. Can you help them? Proof, CTA. Hey, how you doing? Are you a fitness coach? Or hey, are you interested in losing weight? Right? Can I ask you a few questions on how I can help you? Oh, this reminds me of my last client who lost 30 pounds. Hey, would you like to book a call to hear more? Like, simple. Like, it's simple. Always sell high tickets, right? Don't start from the bottom up. A lot of fitness coaches think, oh, well, I got to charge cheap rates to get people in. No, that's actually the wrong way, right? Because you're going to attract a lower quality of clients, a lower quality of leads. You do not want to do that, okay? Always start from the top down. Start with your high ticket and then go to your low ticket, okay, when that time comes. But don't even worry about the low ticket, right? You are a fitness professional, so you should be selling like high end tickets, okay? Have a health relationship with sales, right? Like, honestly, like it's not manipulation. It's not any of that, right? It's all about, communicating with the prospect. And it should say healthy, but I'm gonna leave that up there because it is what it is. um, it's all about communicating with the prospect. That's it. Follow the 80-20 rule. Like, they should be talking 80% of the time. You should be talking 20% of the time. Okay. Focus on disarming objections and storytelling, right? There's common objection you're going to get is, I need to talk to my spouse in the beginning of the call. when you talk to them, just say, hey, like, I like to be sure that all my clients have support in and out of the gym. Do you have a partner or a spouse? They say yes. You say, got it. Would they be fully supportive of you hitting your fitness goals? Yeah, they're going to say yes. Cool. You know, you just disarm that objection. Storytelling. Like, I like to take them through a journey, right? Like, hey, how's it going to make you feel when you lose 30 pounds? Like, if you can hit pain points, right, when you're talking to the prospect, right, it makes the chances of you getting the sale go extremely high because you're hitting the pain points, you're getting them emotional, and you're taking them through this journey on um their dream body and how they're gonna feel when they get there. Like they're able to envision that in their mind. Okay. And just get the X factor. The X factor is the emotional reasoning why they want fitness coaching, right? Um, so if someone says to me, hey, I want to lose 20 pounds, I'm not gonna say, okay, cool. Then I move on to the next question. I'm gonna say, okay, why do you want to lose 20 pounds? And then guess what? Now they're gonna give me, well, the reason why, blah, blah, blah. Boom, you got them. Okay. Retaining clients. Okay. Have effective way to nurture them, right? You can utilize Instagram, school, Facebook. Literally, like what you do is that if someone doesn't buy, right, or if someone follows you and does nothing, if you post valuable content, you're nurturing them because they're watching your stuff and eventually they're waiting for that right piece of content with a good I help statement or something for it to resonate with them and then for them to take action, right? And that's what I was doing a lot. I was posting different content out of how my client lost weight, build their glutes, you know, my guy clients like build their chest, whatever it is, right? And then I'll get them to be like, hey, AJ, hey, I'm so sorry. I've been meaning to get back to you. Yes, I want to get started, blah, blah, blah. And then now you got another sale. Okay. Provide more value than what you're being paid for, right? You want to provide more value. So like my mentor told me, he's like, you want to always go above and beyond, right? You really do. Because when you do that, you're able to effectively keep your clients happy, right? And when they can feel that you're really going above and beyond, it makes you like more valuable to them, right? Your job as a fitness coach is to make yourself needed, okay? Build personal rapport, right? You want to be personal with your clients, not too personal, right? But you don't want to just be like a high and buy thing, right? Whether you're in person or online. You know, hey, how you doing? Hey, you're killing it. I'm proud of you. Like simple messages like that. It's like, you know, when you're in a relationship, right? It's the little stuff that matters, okay? Contracts are king, guys. Like I cannot stress the importance of having contracts, right? And you know, people are like, well, people might guess, you know, people might not want to work with me if they see a contract. Well, you don't say contract. I like to say agreements, right? But like it's super important that you have agreements with your clients because you want to make sure that they're committed. You want to make sure that you're able to have a good monthly recurring revenue. And that way, because like, for example, if you don't have clients, you know what's going to happen is that you can have a month where you have 10 clients and then lose 5 off the back end because you don't have a contract. There's no 3-month, 4-month, 5-month, you know, contract. And you're just constantly going to be in this hamster wheel. So this method is literally the method that I used to grow and scale my fitness coaching business. Like it's simple. Like literally you can take this and run with it. Like you need to master 3 things, you know, market, sales, and retain your clients. These are the 3 things that I did consistently, not just one day, not just 1 month, consistently. And that's how I was able to grow my fitness coaching business to 15K a month in under a year, and how I was able to sell that much fitness coaching programs because I mastered this method. While a lot of fitness coaches were like, you know, just posting random content or just posting content that doesn't position them as an expert, I was doing that. And that's why I was able to scale past that certain number. So yeah, just do this and I guarantee you'll work. And the method is that easy, guys. Like it is that easy. So check this out, right? I always tell people that work with me directly, take action, okay? So here's what's gonna happen. 2 things are gonna happen. You're gonna take what I just showed you and you're gonna run with it and you're gonna hit a roadblock. Because eventually you will. It's gonna work, you'll hit a roadblock, right? And then you're gonna be like, well, what do I do next, right? Or you're gonna be part of the few that take action, right? That join and wanna work side by side, right? And wanna have someone help you and guide you along the journey and also be part of a community of other people who are doing what you wanna do, right? Or are trying to do what you wanna do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you, right? In the 6-figure training program, right? You're going to get all the methods. You're going to work side by side with me, right? Either you don't have a plan, you want to hit 10K a month and you need that help, right? You don't know how to get clients, right? You're just posting random stuff organically, hoping it works, right? You don't know what to charge. You don't know how to get it, okay? Here's our program promise, okay? We help fitness coaches who are tired of not making money or just not making money in general, right? Or not making enough, right? Get clients and feel confident and sell their program in 16 weeks. Very simple, right? So being part of this community, right? you're going to go ahead and get access, right, to the classroom, right? The 10K marketing plan, the 10K salesman, the 10K retention. You're going to get access to all of the Zoom recordings, right? We have weekly group calls, okay? At the time of this video, right, we have 4 group calls a week, okay? The 10K mindset call, right? We have the 10K marketer, right? The 10K salesman, right? And the 10K retention program, right? You get access to all that. You get access to a community of people that are doing what you want to do or going to do what you want to do, right? We have people like Charlie, people like Chris who are taking action and getting money, getting clients, right? And also, while supply lasts, right? You, for the people that join right now, right? You get one-on-one coaching call a week with me where I will give you the blueprint every single week on what you need to do to get to your goal. We will meet on Zoom, right? You'll get a PDF form of what you need to do, right? You'll never feel lost again. So if you're watching this, right, and you're ready to take action, all right, AJ, I'm ready. I'm tired of just saying, you know what, I don't have the money. AJ, you know what, I'd rather just do it on my own, right? Because you're already wasting time. You're already wasting valuable resources. You're ready to take action. I invite you, book a call with me, get clarity, and take action. If you're part of the 1% that are ready to take action, book a call with me and get that fitness coaching business you always wanted.